Are you a pharmacy student looking to learn more about postgraduate training opportunities in residency or fellowship? In this video, I talk about last-minute interview prep, the 1 to 2 days before your actual interview day, and stay to the end where I talk about the most important piece of advice I have for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Jessica Louie. I'm a board-certified critical care pharmacist, associate professor, and entrepreneur. I love helping people find meaning beyond a job title and let go of burnout. On this channel, I talk about passive income and simplifying to combat feelings of burnout and stress in your life. You can also watch videos on my burnout story, our debt-free journey from student loans, and more residency roadmap training videos. This video is not sponsored and not associated. It's my personal opinion. If you don't know about my journey, I completed a PGY1 in pharmacy practice in 2013 and a PGY2 in critical care in 2015 from ASHP accredited programs. With interview season in full swing, I have prepared residency roadmap videos for all of you, and this video is going to concentrate on the last 24 to 48 hours before your actual interview day. This is a big event and a big way to celebrate getting to that interview stage. The first way to prepare is to update your CV. Yes, you submitted your CV with your written application, but that might have been 1 to 2 months ago, and some things probably can be added to your CV in the last 1 to 2 months, whether that means you've completed more API rotations, you've hosted an event for leadership, or you have taken on some more intern pharmacy experience. It's a great time to update your CV while you're reviewing it and studying for some questions they may ask during the interview. You can take 30 minutes to update it, to edit it, to review it one more time to make sure there's no more grammar mistakes, no English spelling mistakes, and give it that final look before you print out some copies to take with you to the physical interview, and also have a digital format that you could offer to the program as well. Next, you're going to prepare for your interview questions. Now, I know you've already been preparing for interview questions, both behavioral type questions and the clinical type questions. And hopefully you watched our video on how to prepare for interview questions linked below as well, where we talk about the STAR method that you can be using and basically, writing out some bullet points of examples, situation, tasks, results, outcomes that you'd like to share during the interview. So you can continue to study for these. You can also continue to study for the clinical questions you might be asked, any new guidelines that might have been published over the last couple of months that they could be asking about as well. The next step to prepare last minute is to compile your questions for the interviewers. Now, this is a really important part of the interviewing process so that you are interviewing them as much as they are interviewing you. So preparing these questions ahead of time to make sure that the program is the right fit for you is really important. I recommend having this paper out and being able to reference it if you get nervous during the interview, and having that 10 to 20 questions prepared ahead of time so you're able to compare and contrast the different programs you're interviewing at is really helpful. The next step is to prepare your interview outfit, and this is something that you can have fun with. It's something that you want to feel really confident in the outfit you are choosing and also very comfortable in case that you are walking and touring a large campus throughout your interview day. So I do recommend being able to wear some comfortable shoes during that process, feeling really confident in the professional outfit that you're choosing, and then checking to make sure it's all clean and ready to go. Now, you also might want to pack your handbag or your portfolio that you're taking with you to the interview day, so make sure that it's ready to go and has those printed CVs in it as well. The final step in preparing for your interview is to get a great night's sleep, and sleep is so important. I talk about this all the time, where sleep and hydration can be the two simple steps to combating fatigue and combating stress in your life. So getting a good night's sleep before is really important. Make sure that you're able to wind down, do your evening routine, and feel really ready for the next day and refreshed. Good luck on your interview day. I know that you're going to be confident in it and you are going to bring your best self to the situation. Make sure you're also watching our videos on how to rank your residency programs linked below. Until next time, cultivate joy.